What do you get when you cut an avocado into 6.023 times 10 to the 23 pieces?
Guacamole.
But now, in all seriousness, let's talk about the mole.
A mole can be defined as anything that has the same number of particles as 12 grams of carbon-12.
That number is 6.023 times 10 to the 23, which means that any one mole contains 6.023 times 10 to the 23 molecules. But how did they figure this out?
Let's take it back about 200 years. Amedeo Avogadro is an Italian physics professor. He is most known for coming up with Avogadro's law.
Avogadro's law states that different gases at the same temperature contain equal amounts of molecules.
Also said that particles were composed of molecules, which in turn were composed of even smaller units, which later became known as atoms.
The number 6.023 times 10 to the 23 was discovered in the later years experimentally, but was named after Avogadro because of his significant contributions towards the theory behind the mole.
So why do we even bother using moles? Can't we just use grams?
Good question. Since the mole is consistent, scientists use it as a universal measuring tool. So convenient.
What are some real-world examples of the mole?
Assuming one human cell is one molecule, the total number of human cells on the planet is 6 times 10 to the 23. Very close to 1 mole.
Final question. Why is Avogadro in love with Cindy Crawford?
I don't know, Lindsay.
Well, I'll tell ya. Because she's his fave supermodel. And she has a mole.